In the command window, type run important. It shows this message. We can help your research and engineering project. No matter of the size and the topic of your project, we can help. Visit www.eeprogrammer.com. This is Marco Wu from EEprogrammer.com. Today I'm going to talk about a few image processing functions in MATLAB. Now, first of all, let me import an image and read an image. So I use the function imread. Now, in order to show the image, I need another command, imshow. Remember to like this video, comment on this video, and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's see what is inside A. The class is uint8, and the size of the byte of the image, everything is shown in there. Now, for the first pixel, you see is RGB is 255, 255, 255. It represents a white color. That is 1 on the first left represent the first pixel on the top leftmost corner. Now you can see, like, for another point, it shows the RGB with different value. Let's see the size again. The size is 334 rows and 824 columns. Now I'm going to change it to grayscale. And then I'm going to make a port. Using the function imshow again. Now let's do the histogram for A. Seeing the color distribution. Seeing not the color is how bright it is, because it only represents the value from 0 to 255. Now let's see the same thing for the grayscale port. You can see there are two different distributions. The key reason is because when you change to grayscale, it has already adjusted some value. MATLAB has already adjusted some value for you. Now I'm going to make some support. 211 is the first support. I show the original image A. 212 is the second port. I show the image of the grayscale. Now, let me make some change. I show the histogram so you can have like better comparison. You can see the upper and the lower graph are different. Now I use another function, imadjust. Now let me show you a bad example in here. Now imadjust is actually only for grayscale image. You know, A is not a grayscale image. Let me change it back. Let me make sure all the figures are close. Now I do a support. The first one is the histogram of the grayscale image. The second one is the histogram of the new image, the imadjust image. You can see there are almost no difference. There is actually no difference. Why? Let's go to the help files to see what is imadjust. Now, actually imadjust is only change the value of the top and the bottom 1%. So since you can see the image, it is like a lot of like contrast. So it doesn't really help you to doing the imadjust. So let me show you another function, im to bw. Change it to black and white. Now, from the original image, this can change you to black and white.
If your research or engineering projects are falling behind, EEprogrammer.com can help you get them back on track without exploding your budget. Let us know what you need. You'll find relief here. Visit EEprogrammer.com. We can help you.